Hi, I'm Shad with Silver Saguaros. Welcome to my home studio here in Phoenix, Arizona. I've been silversmithing for about 2 years now, mainly focusing on silver, turquoise, and a lot of crystals that we gather from Tucson. I have been mostly doing a lot of street art, canvases, but jewelry making is something that I can focus on and that will last me a lifetime. One of my favorite tools here is the rolling mill. I have these plates that are awesome, that make cool designs on copper, silver. I've been practicing on a lot of copper first, of course. My stamping guide definitely is needed. Haven't used it as much, but plan on focusing on that a lot this year. Here's a quick view at one of my pendants. All silver, turquoise, and Royston. One of my favorite pieces of turquoise. The ring sizer is definitely one of my favorite tools as well. You don't think you use it as much, but it's definitely needed. Here's another little piece that I have been working on, stamped copper ring. And that's about it. Again, thank you for coming and checking out the little home studio at Silver Saguaros. Thank you guys.